everyone, welcome back to Print Smart Help. If you're new to the channel, a very warm welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download the HP LaserJet P3015 printer driver on a Windows computer. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. First, what you need to do is open any web browser. Once your browser is open, simply type in the search bar HP LaserJet driver download and press enter. From the search results, click on the official HP support page. Once the page loads, next in the search box, type your printer model, which in this case is P3015, and select it from the list. After that, scroll down the page and look for the Universal Print Driver section. Here, click on the first available driver option. Once the download is complete, click on Show in Folder and drag the downloaded file to your desktop. Now go to your desktop, right-click the file and extract it, then click on Extract. After extraction, you can delete the zip file. Now you'll see the extracted folder ready to use. Next, go to the search bar on your computer and type Printers. Click on Printers and Scanners, then select Add a device. After that, choose Add manually. Select Add a local printer and click Next. For the port selection, choose the USB port if available. If you don't see a USB option, you can select Null and proceed by clicking Next. Now, under Manufacturer, select HP, then click on Have Disk. Click Browse, navigate to your desktop and open the extracted folder. Select the appropriate driver file, click Open, then click OK. Now click Next to continue. You can rename the printer if you want, or keep the default name. Click Next again, and the driver will start installing on your PC. When prompted, select Do not share this printer, then click Next. Finally, click on Finish. If you check your printer list, you will now see the HP Universal Printer installed. That's it for this tutorial. If you need any help with your printer, feel free to call the support number shown on your screen.